How did vacuum tubes enable early computer invention? Imagine a world before tiny chips and digital screens, where computers were massive machines filled with glowing glass tubes. These tubes changed everything. They were the key to turning mechanical calculators into electronic computers. Vacuum tubes acted as electronic switches, turning signals on and off very quickly. Unlike mechanical parts that took milliseconds to switch, vacuum tubes could do it in microseconds. This speed was a game changer. It meant computers could perform calculations much faster than any mechanical device. The first vacuum tubes were invented in the early 1900s. By the 1940s and 1950s, they became the heart of the first electronic digital computers. These early computers used thousands of vacuum tubes to build circuits that could process binary data, which is just a series of ones and zeros. For example, the ENIAC, one of the earliest general-purpose computers, used about 18,000 vacuum tubes. It could perform thousands of additions every second, which was incredible at that time. Vacuum tubes also helped develop new computer ideas. They allowed engineers to create large, fast memory systems that stored data and instructions. This led to the concept of the stored program computer, which is the foundation of modern computers. They also made it possible to develop early programming languages and operating systems. But vacuum tubes had their downsides. They were big, used a lot of power, and generated a lot of heat. They often failed and needed replacing. This made early computers expensive and difficult to maintain. By the 1960s, transistors replaced vacuum tubes because they were smaller, used less power, and were more reliable. Even with their limitations, vacuum tubes played a vital role in the history of computers. They helped shift from mechanical to electronic processing, sparking the digital revolution. This leap laid the groundwork for all the modern technology we relying on today.